Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show you a new table setting that I just did for Halloween, and most of the items came from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in seeing what I did, then stay tuned. Alright, so the very first thing I did was use my black plastic tablecloth from the Dollar Tree. So in order to jazz that up a bit, I have my black plates right here. Actually these are, the black paper plates. Now, I wasn't quite sure about this. My son was like, I don't like it, but I can't use black plates on a black tablecloth because I needed some type of contrast. So what I did was use some orange construction paper, or actually orange cardstock paper that was at the Dollar Tree. And I just kind of threw that underneath. Now, if I was trying to do this for a something that was a little bit more fancy and not a home party, then I would use something different. But I'm going to use this for the contrast. And you can also use like glitter paper, which the Dollar Tree has, especially with Halloween season. I'm sure they have other things that you can use. They might even have like Halloween placemats that you can use. But this is all I could think of, and this is all I had, so that's what I'm using. And let's see, next we have these candles, and I just have them going down the table. And I think it'll look cute and add to that whole Halloween theme when I turn them on. Also, for my centerpieces, I have the Dollar Tree vases. And inside I have like I guess it's like their shredded paper, so I'm using the black. They did have orange, you can use that as well. And I have my tea light candle holders with the little candle here. This centerpiece right here, I made this using all Dollar Tree items except these pieces right here. These actually came from my wedding, which was years and years ago. So I just held on to them and I just draped them on. You don't have to use them. It still looks very cute without it, but I did add those. And then again, I incorporated the black shredded paper on top with another Dollar Tree candle. And let's see what else. The runner right here. Now, this did not come from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree does carry runners, but they didn't have orange at the time. They might have it now, again, because it is Halloween, but I am using a orange, and actually this is like an orange chair sash. So I had it left over from other parties that I've done. So I have that. In the back, I have actually these are orange tablecloths. So if you guys want to learn how I hung these up, then please check out my video showing how I use tablecloths using tablecloths rather. And I have my Dollar Tree orange lights hanging across. And again, the backdrop stand did not come from the Dollar Tree. I wish it would. However, I do have another video showing you how to make a backdrop stand using PVC pipe, and it should only cost you a few dollars to make. So this is very quick and easy. If you want to just do something, a little special for Halloween, to just kind of throw it together, then I think this is a great option. It pretty much cost me barely next to nothing. But I think my kids will enjoy it. Now, I am going to try and do another option because Halloween is going to be so different this year with, not being able, having to social distance and stuff, that we as a family, we decided not to go out for Halloween, but instead I'm going to try and create like a Halloween themed party. So I'm kind of coming up with different things. I might not use this glass centerpiece just because it's for my kids and I don't want to risk them breaking anything, but I'm going to see what other options I can kind of come up with. But this is it so far, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Please don't forget to check out my other videos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. All right, I will talk to you next one, guys. Take care.